Now moved over to the big wall, and he's going to tell us about all the stocks that are moving and shaking at 11 o'clock.
Well, there are some names that are bucking the trend, though. Although can't deny the fact that there is a weak start indeed. And the underlying theme, mostly defense and defense-related names. But starting off with R Systems International, of course, the stock being in news because of the acquisition that it announced. 11.5% higher, the biggest single-day gain since November of 22. But look at the volumes here. In fact, not only in R Systems, but all the names that we're going to highlight in over the next minute or so. R Systems, 70 lakh shares changing hands already compared to a 20-day average of just 30,000. And as a result of this move, the stock has turned positive for the year, and it after having a negative year in 2024. Excuse me. The other one is, of course, DCX Systems, and this is the defense-related names that I was talking about. 10% higher on this stock as well. The biggest single-day gain that the stock has seen since May, and over 1 crore shares have changed hands already compared to a 20-day average of just 2 lakh. And with this move, the stock is now trading close to its 100-day moving average, which is close to 280 rupees. But despite this move, the stock is still down 20% so far on a year-to-date basis. The other defense-related name is Apollo Micro. It announced an order win last evening. The biggest single day gain the stock has seen since January of this year, and has gained every single day this week so far. And this 11% move comes on the back of more than 2 crore shares that have changed hands in the first couple of hours of the trading session compared to a 20-day average of just 22 lakh shares. And courtesy of this move, the stock has nearly doubled in 2025 so far, taking its year-to-date gains to almost 98% now. And the last one on the list is Godawari Power, and this one has, of course, gained every single day this week as well, but has gained in 8 out of the last 9 trading sessions. And the overall volumes, though, have been on a decline. Although today's volumes too are higher than the 20-day average, but their overall volumes are on a decline for the 3rd straight day. And this move also, although the stock is off the day's high now, but it turned positive for 2025 after this recent up move. And the stock had ended 2020 at 11 rupees, and since then it made a high of 253 in December of 2024. So a lot of stocks that are bucking the trend, but the underlying takeaway is that all of these are buzzing on really, really high volumes.
Got that. Thank you very much for that. The Nifty